What's up? It's Zen. I'm going to quickly show you this complete automation system I have for AIOFM. Complete end-to-end system. I'm going to show you it in action. Here's a little sneak peek of it working right now. That's doing AI comments. Yeah, so I'm going to show you the whole thing in action. I'm going to show you a demo for this as well. It's not going to be a theory video. It's going to be mainly a demo and also explaining to you, giving you like a blueprint, rough blueprint of how I did it and everything I've learned, all the mistakes I've made, while building this. It took me longer than I'm willing to admit, but everything I learned and what are the current best tools, the current best method to get started with this, and use it as well. First, I'm going to show you the demo. Again, this is not going to be beginner friendly. This is not, if you're just starting out, there's many videos for that. This is if you already have results. This is if you're already doing decent and you just want to scale up with, automation and all of that stuff. This is what you should do. Either what I'm showing you, or you could just send it to your devs and ask them to execute something similar. So yeah, this is it. This right now is doing comments, AI comments on Twitter. So we've automated Twitter end to end. So this is my account, Zen Sajnani. This is one of my, I think, 70 accounts right now. I just had to clean up. I had like 150 something, but I used bad accounts, so they got like suspended over there. So this one is going to do comments over here, and we're going to see it in action. Meanwhile, let me also open some other ones. So yeah, I it's gonna do the warm up first. It's just gonna scroll. So that's the most important part as well. And okay, while we are waiting for all these comments to happen, okay, see this one did a comment. Everything's not perfect. It replied to some tweet. That's Spanish for who's that? I don't know, that's a dumbass comment. But yeah, okay, anyway, I think that needs to be improved a bit. But here's a rough demo. And over here as well, hopefully it's gonna reply to this tweet. But I'll show you the software. This software and why I'm using it. It's called Bass by Bablosoft. This is the database. This is where all the accounts are stored. I have 137 right now for me and my clients. Browser Automation Studio. This is the one you can download. There's a free plan as well. I think that's going to be good enough for you to get started. The benefit with this is that it's completely undetectable. So what you can see here, okay, look, this is my mouse cursor. This is the mouse cursor for each browser. So it's actually acting like a human. You can see with all these random clicks. If you see, the mouse is also not moving, in just like one straight line. It's doing everything random. It's waiting for random times. And these accounts have been working for weeks, and none of them have been detected, and none of them have been marked as spam as well, or maybe like a few which I overdid. Let's see this N Selva. So let's go to N Selva. So yeah, N Selva. So what this does first is it retweets uh my tweets. Okay, right now I have my X Typhoon over here, so which is a bit buggy. So it disables the media load. Okay, it's not working properly, but that's just a bug with the extension. I'll get into this later as well. But these are okay. Yeah, it's working now. So these are all of my tweets that it has retweeted from my main account. It's retweeted over here, and it selects one tweet which I have put, and it enters a pinned message over here. So we can see this one has got 91 views for nothing. And over here, if we go to replies, we can see what replies it has done. See this one, imagine that improving faster than my toddlers. I think this could be improved, but can you provide more details on what needs updating? That's a dumbass comment. That's a great original tweet. Okay, I just have to improve the prompt or change the model. This is the one I use for the AI response using N8N. If I switch to Claude, it works a lot better. So let me just 3.5 is good. I use Open Router. So this is how the AI comments happen. So yeah, I was showing you the Bass, right? This is the Bass script, and this is doing the comments. It's liking, and it's doing all of this automated from these accounts only. But the system I have, I'll show you another system as well, and I'll get into the tech stack you need to execute something like this as well. So okay, I'll just do that. I know this is all over the place, but doesn't matter. This is not an educational video. This is just to give you an idea of what you could do. if you have a team of devs or if you can execute this stuff yourself. What you need first is BAS, Browser Automation Studio. Much better than any other software I've seen. Like the best way to automate the browsers because it's like the most realistic way, the most undetectable way. The fingerprinting, the proxies, and everything are also good. The proxies I'm using now are from proxy6.net. Let me show you. Proxy6.net. So yeah, this is what I use for proxies. I use this one, United States. I got like 100 proxies for like a month, the dedicated ones. So get these. These are what I use. So you need the Browser Automation Studio. You need proxies. You need to have the browser fingerprint extension in Browser Automation Studio. Yeah, that. You need NA10. I just use NA10 because it makes my whole life a lot easier. I have my whole systems, being run on this. Apart from the automation as well, my personal systems and the idea from this video for this video as well, I go through one of my agents that are running through NA10. So yeah, this is what you need, NA10, and you need a database. I use Superbase where I store all the auth tokens. I buy the accounts from Axe Market. You store the auth tokens over here, and the attributes where you have to log stuff, right? Where like if the accounts are logged in, if they are not logged in, and how many comments they've done, how many likes they've done, so they don't exceed the limits. So yeah, this is the rough tech stack you need. Again, this is working in action as well, and this just does everything automated. I'll show you another way. Let's say I stop it over here. I can have 1 second run scripts. Yeah, so I can just run this from the server. I can have it scheduled, so it's just gonna run the scripts on its own. Let me reset active thread counts. Yeah, so it's just gonna run on its own over here. It's gonna open all the browsers and it's gonna do everything automated. And as soon as one script ends, it's gonna run this again and start a new one. So this was a rough overview of how you can have your systems automated as well for AIOFM. The reason I choose Twitter is because the easiest to automate compared to Instagram and all of that stuff. It's more lenient with automation, and you can have like hundreds of backup accounts, and the retweets are also very overpowered, and you can just do the AI comments, which is basically stealing other people's fans, other people's followers. Either you could do that by doing AI comments in wait, this is where it's working, I think. Let me just check. Yeah, in like niches of other models, or you could just do it like in the sports niches, the sports betting niches, and you could just keep dropping comments over there on like the popular tweets or the meme pages. And obviously, you don't want to do this. You don't want to slave away and do this yourself manually. You could hire VAs as well, which many people do that. I personally didn't want to do it. That's why I built this for me and my clients. This is the deal I have currently with the clients who are using this system is a profit share and a deposit, which is refundable if you're not profitable. So there's nothing to lose except commitment. And for those of you who are not advanced, who aren't already getting results, this is not going to be good for you because if you're already getting results, this is like putting fuel on the fire. If there's no fire, the fuel's not going to do anything. If you're just starting out, I have a guide. I'll link it in the description. I think it's going to be here docs.xtyphoon.zenikal.com. And I also have a Telegram channel where I keep updating, things I learn and everything new that's interesting that could help you, and also some shit posting. But yeah, you could check that out if you're interested. And if you don't want to commit to this but you still want to use some form of automation, you can use xtyphoon, xtyphoon.zenikal.com. The link is going to be there. There's a like bot, there's an AI agent. So yeah, you can just do the AI comments from here as well. There's a free plan, so you can get started with the free plan. Yeah, so see, you can see it's doing the AI comments here. It's gonna wait some time, then it's gonna scroll down on its own, go to the next comment, and do all of that stuff over there as well. So this is managed by you. not completely automated because you still have to set up your profiles. But if you have that, you can use this. If you want everything, if you want to scale like a madman, like a complete unfair edge, then we can set up the other automation system for you. That's it. I think the sun's setting. I hope you can still see my face. Yeah, you can. That's it. I'll keep trying to post more videos, more cohesive, more concise, because I've been experimenting a lot like a mad scientist. A lot of things I've learned that I think you could benefit from. So yeah, this is it. I'll keep posting over here on the Telegram channel. But yeah, that's it. Speak to you soon. Xanagal out. Goodbye.